going to serge this waistband. Again, we want to line up so that we wind up cutting off 1/4 inch. So I'm just serging onto it, onto the waistband. And then as I head around here, I will be serging off that 1/4 inch. So my serging will actually serge, your goal is to be cutting off that even 1/4 inch. You don't want to be cutting off 1/4 inch in some places, 3/8 in another, 1/8 in one place, 1/2 inch in another. You want to be sure you keep that width the same and that you're trimming off the same amount all the way around. And then when you get back around to the front, or back around to the end again, you'll see there's that angle where I eased into where I was going. So I'm going to serge, and that angle just now got cut off. I'm now even with the whole thing, and I can just serge off, leave the tail, come back, cut the tail off. And your waistband is attached and ready to have the elastic in it. Okay, so the waistband